Some chargers look interchangeable at first glance. But when one replaces three others in your bag and still charges everything reliably, it starts to matter more than you expect. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, the channel focused on calm, experience-driven reviews to help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today we're looking at the Amazon Basics 65-watt one-port GaN USB-C wall charger with power delivery. This is a compact, travel-friendly charger designed to power laptops, tablets, and phones from a single USB-C port. If you want one dependable charger for home, office, and travel, without paying for unnecessary extras, this product is clearly aimed at you. You'll find the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Reason number 1. Reliable 65-watt charging output. With up to 65 watts of USB power delivery, this charger can handle demanding devices like MacBook Air and MacBook Pro, while still fast-charging phones and tablets. It delivers consistent power without fluctuation, which matters for both charging speed and long-term battery health. Reason number 2. Efficient GaN technology. Gallium nitride technology allows this charger to waste less energy and generate less heat than traditional silicon designs. That efficiency translates into a cooler, more stable charging experience and better performance in a smaller form factor. Reason number 3. Compact, travel-ready design. Despite its power, the charger remains compact and lightweight. The foldable plug makes it easy to slip into a bag or pocket without snagging cables or scratching other devices, which is especially valuable for frequent travelers. Reason number 4. Broad device compatibility. This charger works seamlessly with a wide range of USB-C devices, including laptops, tablets, smartphones, headphones, and accessories. It adapts its output intelligently, so you don't need separate chargers for different devices. Reason number 5. Built-in safety protections. Integrated safeguards protect against overheating, overvoltage, and short circuits. These protections provide peace of mind when charging expensive electronics, especially overnight or in shared outlets. Reason number 6. Simple, no-nonsense usability. With a single USB-C port and no modes to manage, daily use is straightforward. You plug it in, connect your cable, and it simply works, which is often overlooked but deeply valuable in everyday tech. Reason number 7. Trusted value and long-term confidence. Backed by Amazon Basics and a 1-year limited warranty, this charger is trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers who consistently highlight reliability, durability, and practical performance. Final verdict. This charger won't replace multi-port hubs for shared charging, and it doesn't include a cable. But for users who prioritize efficiency, portability, and dependable power delivery, it stands out as a smart, cost-effective choice. It's best suited for professionals, students, and travelers who want one charger that handles everything without fuss. If that sounds like your setup, this is a purchase you can make with confidence and move on knowing it will simply do its job.